Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to fix Spotify not linking to Instagram notes. Now, you may face this issue due to several reasons, and the first option and the first reason is that you do not have the latest update on both. So simply go and open your Play Store, App Store, then search for Instagram and make sure you have the latest update. Then search for Spotify and make sure you have the latest update. Once you have this open button, this means that you have the latest update. Now, that was the first method. The second method is to simply go and make sure that you are logged in into your Spotify account. So go to your Spotify and make sure that you are actually logged in. So here I have it. I have logged in into my account. Okay. And now we should go back and go to Instagram, open it, then go and open the messages, then go and click on your note, click on this icon and see if you have the link your Spotify option or not on Instagram. If you still have the issue, you can delete both applications and try to reinstall them again. So here in my case, I will delete it in front of you because I have the problem. Okay, now it has been deleted. Then I'm gonna open the Play Store again. Then I will search for Instagram. Then I will install it again. And another option that you can actually do is to clear the cache. So simply scroll down, go and open the settings of your phone. Then you should go and scroll down till you find your manage apps or apps. Then go to manage apps. Then go and search for Spotify or Instagram. Search for both. Okay. So here I have it. Spotify. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, and here we go. Okay, Spotify. Yes, it is. Here is it. Just tap on it, then go and tap on the storage, then click on clear data, click on clear cache, then click on OK. And now go and make sure that you have the Instagram installed. So here I will install it. I have deleted it, then I will reinstall it again and see if the issue is fixed or not. And you should also make sure that you are signed in using your Spotify account. And I mentioned that before. Okay, now let's see after installing, will I get my issue worked or not? And another thing to check is to go and open your browser, then search for down detector. Then you should search for Spotify and Instagram and see if they are actually down or not. See if they have any problems with their connection. So here in Instagram, it doesn't have any problem. Okay, it doesn't have any problem. No reports. And you should scroll down till you find here Spotify and see if they have any problems. But they do not have any problems also. Nothing to consider. And now I have installing the application. And now I'm going to open the application. And you should make sure that your account is actually signed in. Click on continue. Now here we have it. We have now to go to the top right side. Click on your messages, then go to your note, then go and click on the music icon. And here you should see add your Spotify. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.